front today. Okay, give them a hand. Come up on the stage. All right. What's your name? Hi, Megan. Everybody say hi, Megan. Ashley. Say hi, Ashley. What's your name? Chastity, right? Give Chastity a hand. All right. When you look inside this box, we have a box here. I'm going to have you guys, okay, step back so the people can see. I'm going to give you each a feather. You know, God has made some wonderful creatures, hasn't He? I'm going to give you, what do you think God made that has feathers? A bird? All right, I'll give you one. You one. Here, I want you to have one. Each of you, I want you to put the feathers inside the box, inside them bars, so that cage there, if you would. All right, now we have to say some magic words today. We're going to make some magic happen. All three of you. When I was growing up, the magic words were please and thank you. But today we're going to say two words. One is hi. Let's practice. Say hi. The second one is Toby. All right, practice. Say hi, Toby. All right, at the count of three, I'm going to count to three. You guys are all going to say hi, Toby. You guys are going to watch. Make sure everybody can look in there. I'm going to wave my hand and we're going to see if we get some magic to appear. 1, 2, 3.